Hey friends, welcome back and welcome if you're new. Now, if you've already seen the title of this video, then you already know we're selling our house, which is kind of as much of a surprise to me as it probably is to you guys. But we made kind of a last minute decision. We've been thinking and praying about selling our home for quite some time, and the opportunity just kind of presented itself and we have jumped on it. So we have been doing everything to get the home ready. We've been painting, touching up, changing doorknobs, changing fixtures, all of that good stuff, getting everything feeling fresh and ready to go on the market. The house is actually getting photographed tomorrow as I'm filming this. So today we're kind of just hanging out, cleaning, doing last minute staging, and getting the home ready. Some of you guys caught on over on Instagram, but as you can probably guess, I've also taken down all of my fall decor, which is so sad in some ways, but it's okay because it's what we have to do to get it on the market. And as sad as I am to be selling our home, you guys know I love this house. I've put my heart and soul into this house. If I could pick it up and take it with me, I 100% would. I'm really excited for what's next, what God has for us. Most of you guys probably don't know this, but Caleb and I aren't from the Atlanta area. We actually moved here for work and we're no longer in that position. And so over the last year or so, we've really had it on our hearts to leave this area because there's really not a lot keeping us here. And so as much as we'll miss friends and things, we've really decided, especially after everything this year has brought, we really want to be closer to family and we want our kids to grow up near family. And so I'm not actually going to be sharing all the details of that yet. Just know that long term we plan to move and it's going to be a big move. So lots of exciting content ahead, but in the short term, actually still going to be in this area as we're selling our home, and we're going to rent until we're ready to make some more decisions and more details to come. But while we're renting, we actually are super blessed. We found something that's new construction and it's much smaller, but I'm kind of excited to be in a smaller space and see how that works for our family. And there'll be lots of fun new content. You guys will see me in a new space, which will be fun and exciting and different. I know some of you guys are probably gonna be just as heartbroken as I am about leaving the house, but ultimately it's in God's hands and He is in control. So I wanted to show you guys, I actually was over at the rental house a few days ago and I went ahead and filmed a little empty house tour. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert that footage now. All right guys, so here is where you walk in the front door. There's a little front porch area. It's raining right now. It's actually really peaceful. And then here is the front door. I like that it's black and I like that I have a little outlet here. Could do something cute over here. I think I've already mentioned this, but it's a new construction house, so we'll be the first ones to live in it. So let's go ahead and step inside. You can see here, it's a very kind of tall and narrow entryway. It's just kind of a long hallway. The tray ceilings though, and this big open area, you could do like a bench or an entry table, something really cute. And then let's go to the left here. This is my first empty house tour, guys, so I'm like, don't know what I'm doing. You can see there's 2 bedrooms to the left here. This is actually gonna serve as my office. And then there's a bathroom. This will be Graham's bathroom and then just kind of the guest bath. Really nice, just like countertops. It's obviously pretty builder grade, but I'm excited because in my previous house, you guys know, or in my old house, even though we updated a lot, the bathrooms were not updated at all. So just to have granite countertops makes me happy. And then, let's see. We have a nice size linen closet here, which is awesome. And then here is another bedroom, and this bedroom is gonna be Graham's room. So I'm excited. It's a nice size room and we'll make it feel really cozy. He does have a nice big closet
I think the other room has the same size closet, but it will be super cute. Okay, so you've seen the 2 bedrooms and the bathroom here. Now we keep going down this long kind of entryway. This little nook is kind of cute. I feel like you could do something cute with it or just leave it, I don't know. And then this is just the garage. Not that you guys really care to see it, but it's a nice little 2-car garage. So this is basically where we will be entering most of the time. And then we aren't gonna go upstairs yet, but you can see to the right here, head upstairs there in a second. But first I'll show you guys, here is the laundry room. And actually, oops, I don't know lights yet, guys. Actually, I'm kind of excited. It's a decent size. I wish I had a window, but my current laundry room, or my laundry room at the other house, is so tiny. So I'm excited about that. And then you continue on into kind of the open living area. You guys, this is the world's tiniest living room. And I'm gonna have a field day kind of designing and figuring out our furniture in here. Obviously the TV is designed to go on this wall, but it's just basically a small little corner of the house. So we'll see. I know I'll get creative though, and it will be fun. Besides the tiny little living room, we have the big kitchen area, which I'm actually really excited about, considering we're in a small little rental for however many months. This is super cute. It has the shiplapped island, which I love. I'll be able to put a couple of bar stools here. And again, builder grade countertops, granite countertops, but I'll take it. There's a nice size sink, subway tile backsplash, and new appliances. So it's not too bad. It does look like there's a lot less storage than my current house, but I'm pretty minimal, so I'm not too worried about it. To the left here is the pantry. And there's actually it's about the exact same size as my current pantry. So that is good news. Anyway, so off of the kitchen is this little kitchen eating area, little nook. We actually already bought light fixtures to replace this one and these 2. And we'll just put them up and then bring them with us whenever we buy a house. I'm excited to show you guys. That will be in a video later on. But this is a cute little eating area. Lots of natural light. There's windows on all 3 sides. But here's my dilemma, okay? So I could put my rectangular table in here and it would fit perfect. And I could do some shelving here, which I think would be very cute. Or option B is I have a round table that I was thinking about redoing and painting white, or just finishing, making it look cute. Do a round table and then put my hutch there. So let me know in the comments below, which would you rather see me do and what you think I should do. But my favorite thing about the house, and sorry it's so echoey, it's empty obviously, is the backyard. I love this open window. It lets in even more natural light, you can see. Out here we have a super cute covered patio. It's a really nice size. We'll be able to put the grill out here, maybe a table and chairs, and then we actually have a really cute fenced in backyard that I'm very excited about. The kids are going to love it. Moving on off of the living room, we've got a little nook over here, and we have a coat closet, I think. Yep. And then we have the master bedroom, which is teeny tiny compared to my current master, but it's got the tray ceilings. We will make it work. I think it'll be really cute and cozy. And off of the bedroom is our master bathroom. We just have a double vanity sink here and a nice size shower. No tub, but that's okay. I'm not really a bath person anyway. Just not. And then all kinds of doors here. Let's see. Okay, and here I think is the, yeah, just the toilet room. And then we have a, yeah, linen closet here, which will be super nice. We actually don't have a linen closet in our current house, so I'm excited about that. And then right here, turn on the light, maybe. We just have one big master closet. So I think we have plenty of space in here to store all of our clothes. It'll be nice. Okay, let's go upstairs. Looks like I already need to clean. But to the right here is a little bonus area that I'm very excited about. This will serve, I don't really know how it's gonna serve yet. My guess is this whole upstairs is gonna be kind of a playroom area. But let's see. We've got a nice sized closet. I can put any like bulky toys in here. And then I think this is utility. Yeah, it's just utility. So, but I like that it looks out into the back. Be pretty. And then there's kind of more bonus space. So we'll just see. I think what we're gonna do right here is put our kids have like a little couch in their playroom currently. We'll do a little couch and maybe a TV right here so that they have their own little space. I think we got more storage going on over here. Yep. I'll be able to store a lot of their toys in the closet, which is nice. And this is gonna be Emma and Grayson's room. We decided that they're gonna share a room this time around. They really want to, first of all, but then that way that frees up a bedroom for us to use as an office. So it's gonna be really cute. I'm excited for you guys to see it. There's a cute little nook right here. You could do like a little desk or Emma's like Barbie dream house or something. And they got a nice sized closet in there. And then they're gonna share this bathroom. Turn on the light. It's just, again, it looks exactly like Graham's bathroom.
So that was the empty house tour. I hope that you guys enjoyed seeing that. I'm so thankful that we found this home. I think that is really gonna fit the needs of our family during this season, and I'm really excited. Of course, stay tuned for lots of decorating content, moving in, selling this home. I'll share some more details soon. Actually, my next video I'm planning on doing is a staged home tour. I'm gonna walk through this house. You'll get to see every room and kind of see how I staged it to sell, see what my realtor said, kind of moving things around. Things look a little bit different than they normally do. But I'm excited to take you guys along this journey. It's gonna be fun, and even though we're kind of sad to see this house go, we love this house. It has been such a blessing to us. I feel like my babies basically grew up in this house. We brought Graham home here, and it has served us really, really well. So hopefully it serves another family as well as it has served us. I'm gonna get emotional, I'm sure, over the next few weeks, but that's okay, because what's next is what God has for us, and we're excited and we're ready, and we cannot wait. But like I said before, if you happen to be new today, welcome. My name's Amy. Here on my channel, I do lots of homemaking content, and I'll have lots of other new fun content coming out soon before the holiday season. So make sure you're subscribed, and make sure you're following me over on Instagram at amy.fritz. I do lots of daily updates and share more behind the scenes there. And I have little ones running around. I'm sorry if you can hear her, but I'm so glad that you're here today, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Bye.